So this represents a CMBS loan. Okay, and Elizabeth is going to be your property. Now, by the way, again, how many of you have CMBS loans out here? We've got, where did the gentleman go with the CMBS loan? Back there, okay. So, and how many of you work with folks that do? You do over with Spring Streets, yeah. Yeah, it can be a difficult thing to overcome because that property is now in a bond pool. It doesn't belong to you anymore. It is part of a pool that the investors own, and it's a difficult process to get out. With Waterstone Defeasance, though, we are very good at getting that property out. Now, Elizabeth is going to be your property. Okay, I know, a lot of fun here, but Elizabeth, okay, go ahead and jump on in. Thank you so much for that, sir. Okay, here's the thing. We're having fun. Thank you. So here's Elizabeth, and Elizabeth is in she's the property that is in the CMBS loan. Now she's about to go in, and here's the deal. When she goes in, when she gets collateralized, securitized, put in the bond pool, you can't sell her, you can't get rid of that property for 10 years. That property's now attached. But what happens in a good economy? Do you notice how many people are here at Recon this year? It's unbelievable, isn't it? The amount of people. It's huge, what, 35,000? It's crazy. And so it's hitting. Now may be the time to sell the property. And here, so we're going to, okay, everybody say goodbye, Elizabeth. There she goes. There she goes. There's somewhere. So here's the thing. It actually gets even a little bit tighter here. Here it goes. No, see, he's down there watching. No, she didn't slip out the bottom, anything like that, did she? Did she? Pretty. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get a sword. We're just going to talk about this for just a minute. So, a couple of things about a CMBS loan. By the way, the property's tied up. There is a misnomer in the industry about something called penalty. The penalty, you think, is this extra penalty that's like a regular, like residential or other type of loan where you've got this penalty if you defease early if you get out. But here's the thing, it's not. A CMBS loan is a loan where the time has literally been pulled out of the loan. There's no time accrued, anything, it's done. You have to pay the interest no matter what, whether you wait or you pay it off right now. So here's the thing, we have people that are like, oh, I've got a $1.8 million penalty, I'm not getting out right now, I'm going to wait it out. No, you have to pay $1.8 million whether or not you wait out or not. So if it's the perfect time to sell, we can get you out. There's some things we can do called the residual value, the trap value. At the end of the loan, we may be able to make you some extra money, which we can possibly